I asked ChatGPT to give me its top 5 beginner acoustic guitars. This is what it said. When it comes to choosing the best acoustic guitar for beginners, there are several factors to consider, including budget, playability, and the sound quality. While personal preferences may vary, here are some popular options that are often recommended for beginners. Number 5. Seagull S6 Original. Seagull guitars are known for their exceptional value when it comes to money. The S6 Original is a well-built guitar with the solid cedar top and a warm, full sound. Number 4. The Taylor Academy 10E. It offers excellent playability, a balanced sound, and Taylor's renowned craftsmanship. Number 3. Epiphone DR100. Epiphone guitars are known for their affordability and quality. The DR100 is a popular beginner acoustic guitar with a classic dreadnought shape and a very warm tone. Number 2. The Fender CD-60S. If you haven't heard of Fender, you probably never lived. It's a well-known brand in the guitar world, and the CD-60S is a very beginner-friendly acoustic guitar. It has a comfortable neck, a rich sound, and a reasonable price. I put in that part that if you didn't know Fender, you would not be alive. Number 1. The Yamaha FG800. This is a solid choice for beginners due to its affordable price and good overall quality. It offers a balanced tone, and it's known for its durability. Now remember, it's essential to try out different guitars and find the one that feels most comfortable for you to play, one that suits your musical preferences as well. Consider visiting a music store to test out various models, seek advice from experienced guitar players to help you make an informed decision. Now, are you mad that ChatGPT did not pick your favorite beginner guitar in its top 5 list? Let me know in the comments below. I'll talk to you later. Peace out, and God bless.